Yes. First of all, good evening, everyone. So let me introduce myself. This is Ramadevi. I'm having an experience of 11 years experience into training. So I have an experience of 4 years into the Salesforce. Currently, I'm working with VM Labs Private Limited. Okay, so currently I'm working with the company as a Salesforce trainer as well as a developer. Okay, so this is my little bit of introduction from my side, guys. So I need everyone to give a little bit introduction, not a lengthy introduction. So first of all, what you are doing, okay, so that I'll come to know that what is the level of your knowledge to give you the training. So that's it. That introduction I need from you guys. Today I'll be taking up to 8:30. I have some tasks. From tomorrow onwards, we will be dedicatedly working 8 to 9. Okay. Make sure that join on time. That will be very better practice for us. Okay. 8 to 9 from tomorrow onwards, we'll plan for 8 to 9. Even this week, I will follow for Saturday also. Let us check for Sunday, but this week we'll have a Saturday also. So this is the session details from my side, guys. Anyone, any queries? Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Okay. First thing is I'm expecting from you is, first thing is you should be communicative. Everyone need to be exposed to say, you should answer, so that because being an online trainings, we are expecting that. Okay. And the second thing is, whatever the things we are giving dedicatedly, you have to practice on that on the same platform. Okay. So these all the things you have to do on prayer. Okay, guys. Okay. Yeah. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, we'll have an introduction. We'll start with Avinash. Yeah, Avinash, please. I hope I'm audible, right? Avinash, Krishna, Savan, Gaware, Ajay, Anusha, okay. And who else? Sushal. Anyone? Yeah.
Hi all, this is Krishna. I'm right now working with Wipro as in a non-technical project.
Okay, non-technical. You don't have knowledge on software. Agreed?
Yes, I don't have that much knowledge on software.
Okay, not an issue. Yes. And second, next, make sure start gets fast. Sushal, good. Yeah, go
Yes,
ahead.
ma'am. Hi, everyone. So I was also working for non-IT currently as a USIT recruiter. So I also don't have any kind of software experience currently.
Okay, good, great. Not an issue. Okay, so next.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, my name is Savan, and I've been working with Flipkart in a non-technical process.
Okay, non-IT. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you all colleagues? No. Okay. Okay. Next, Ajay, Anusha, anyone?
Hi all, my name is Anusha. I'm pursuing MBA.
Okay, you are pursuing MBA. Okay, so
Yes,
you
ma'am.
also doesn't have much more knowledge on software, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Next. Okay. Saban, again, you are facing the same issue with your Lappy. You are not able to join with Lappy.
Yes, I'm facing this particular issue that is asking me a passcode to enter through a LAPI.
Okay, but it should not ask. Okay, from tomorrow you can check it out. Okay.
Okay, no issue, because I believe it's some like from laptop it would be great if I be join, like able to join from laptop, but it's not allowing me to enter through the laptop.
Okay, just check with your colleagues today. Okay, again, whether it is asking or not. Let me check. Okay. So anyhow,
Okay, no
today
issue.
we have an introduction, so you can join, not a problem. Okay. Or else you can also see the recordings also. Okay. Okay. Next, Anusha was explained. Who left? Who left for introduction?
Yeah, am I audible?
Perfectly, yes.
Yeah, my name is Ajay, and I'm working in a days works. I have a kind of Salesforce experience about 6 months because I have a shift. I have internally transferred in Salesforce. That's why.
Okay, great, great. Okay. So you are the senior for these guys then, right? Okay. Yeah, yeah. Great. Next. In the Salesforce, Ajay, you know admin or have you worked with an Apex?
I have worked in admin and development also.
Okay, so what is the purpose to join again?
Actually, I was unaware of the Apex trigger and something like how it works. Some of my friends said it's kind of similar like a Java, but I think it's a little bit hard for me. That's why.
Okay, so it is a completely admin training, right? So later on you will be understanding about Apex, right? So
Yeah.
it is a part of admin. So in admin also there are so many configurations. Okay, so first you should understand that, and next you will have for Apex. Okay.
Oh yes, yes.
That is a programming language again. Yeah. Who left then? Done? Done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Great introduction, guys. So first of all, as a majority of you don't know the software, or else like you don't know, you are not from the IT background. So we'll go in a very clear way. Okay. So that each and everyone can understand. Okay. So, but only the thing is, while the session is going on, if you have any issues, if you face like any not able to understand, meanwhile itself you would have to ask me this. Then it will be helpful for each and everyone. Agreed with me? Okay. So yes, guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So today's agenda is just we'll go with an introduction, and what all the priority things you have to do it, that I'll explain you. So guys, who is behind of you? Who is he? Anyone have any guesses? Ajay?
Yeah, ma'am. It's Mark Benioff.
Yeah, great. So who is he? He is the
He is a founder of Salesforce.
founder of the Salesforce. He is the founder of the Salesforce. Okay. Now, first of all, everyone was saying Salesforce, Salesforce, Salesforce. What is the main advantage of the Salesforce? What it is? Okay, so before that, one sentence I want to give you, that Salesforce is a cloud computing. When I frame this sentence, I have to explain about what is cloud computing. Can anyone give any example related to the cloud? Not related to any programmatical part. I need a general statement. What do you mean by cloud? Cloud computing. Cloud. See, whatever the data, instead of storing into the local machine, I'm going to store somewhere else where we can have a security, where I can access anyway through an internet, right? So that process is called as a cloud computing. Let me explain with an example. So initially what we will do, we used to store the photos into our mobile, right? We used to store the photos into our mobile. Later on, where we are going to store our photos, guys? Drive. Drive where it is going to be stored? In cloud. Agreed with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Agreed with me? Yes. Suppose if I want to show any photos to someone else, so what I can do, I can open my drive and I can show them. And second thing is, suppose if I want any documents, no need to carry again and again the documents. Wherever I need the documents, just I'll open that drive and just I will be uploading that documents, whatever I require. Okay. So guys, this is a place where we can store huge amount of data and we can access anywhere. We can access wherever we need it. Okay. And also it provides the security. What else? If we create an application on behalf of that, then it will be more advantage for the customers. That's the reason Salesforce follows the cloud computing. What is cloud computing? A remote server hosted to the internet. Why? To store, manage, and process the data rather than a local server or a personal computer. And a remote server in a system or located very far, where your data application will be stored and you will be accessing this server using the internet. This is a little bit introduction of a cloud computing. Isn't it clear? Am I clear? See, the definition, no need to remember. Examples scenarios try to remember. Never go with a definition. Try to explain on your own words. Okay? But usually I used to give a definitions also. It will be more technical. But here Salesforce is a vast concept. Don't try to remember. Try to understand. Try to implement. Don't try to remember. Try to understand and try to implement. That gives you a clear idea. Got it, guys? So what the things I'm explaining right now? Cloud computing. Cloud computing in the sense, the huge amount of data we are storing in somewhere else, that we are calling it a remote server rather than a local server. That is stored very far away from where you are working. Right now I am working with a Salesforce with respect to the cloud computing, but I don't know where it is. I don't know. I cannot, because suppose if I'm working with a company, I can say that my server is located somewhere else in the room. But here we don't know where it is located. But we are still working instead of our local servers. So that data we are able to access using the internet. That is one of the beautiful advantages of the cloud computing. Isn't it clear? Shall we move ahead?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. See, the cloud computing here, many of the technologies are using the cloud computing, like even Amazon, Twitter, Facebook, Google. Each and every organization are using this cloud computing for legacy systems, even for call centers, financial systems, HR systems, corporate systems. Each and every sector right now utilizing these cloud computing, using this cloud computing. Now, what we can say this, then what are the advantages of a cloud computing? What are the advantages? Here, with the help of cloud, we can have a backup. Photos, we can have a backup. Documents, we can have a backup. In future, whatever the applications I have created, we'll have a backup projects. We can have a backup everything. Wherever we need it, we can restore the data. This is one of the advantage of the cloud. This is one of the advantage of the cloud. It improves the collaboration. With respect to the cloud, suppose if I'm working on a project, so me and my colleague can work with a collaborative manner because everything is there into the cloud. If I need a reference of my friend, I can get from the cloud and I can implement it and you can utilize it. Suppose if everything is there in his local machine, I cannot do the task. Getting? So again, that is the one advantage of the cloud computing. Obviously, it is easy to access only the thing is we need an internet. We need an internet. That's it. Easily you can access. There is no hard formulas to drag and drop. Just it is a simple things we need to do to implement the cloud and use that cloud. And also from our side, as from a customer perspective, as from the client perspective, no need to maintain anything. No need to maintain the server. No need to maintain the hardware. No need to maintain the software. Everything will be provided. Just you need to work for the maintenance. Again, it is providing with a get security. Suppose if I'm uploading over there my photos, my document. So since 10 years, 20 years, no problem at all. It is in a very safe mode, right? That is also provided. Up to now extent, we have not heard that whatever the things you have put it on the cloud, it was violated. No, that news was not spreaded. That security part also they have taken in a very broader perspective, we can say. And one more thing is you can store unlimited data. Even though in Google Drive, we need to pay if you need some extra memory. But if you work within a Salesforce, you can create n number of hours and you can use it. And also one of the good advantage over here is no need to again and again carry the laptop. You can use the mobile access also. Through that also you can access everything. Files you can access, websites you can access, and everything you are able to do with respect to the application right now with the help of the mobiles also. Okay, so for that no need to create an Android application, no need to go with any AWS. No need. Right now we can do with respect to our Salesforce also. That is a portability with a desktop and a mobile. So these are all the beautiful features which are there in our Salesforce, guys, because it is developed on cloud computing. It was developed on a cloud computing. So got it, guys? Isn't it clear? So I'll give you 1 minute time. Just ask me, question me, queries. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not able to hear someone. Kishore, you want to ask something? Kishore, you want to ask something? Okay. Anyone having any doubt, just ask me. I'll be able to answer. Is it good to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In between, I'll ask the questions also. Be alertive, guys. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can you
overall-
repeat pay-per-use model?
Yes. Pay-per-use model. Actually, I have not explained. Good catch up. So, see, guys. Here, the Salesforce is providing an opportunity. Let us take an example. Suppose if we all the family members are 4, and I want to book a cab for my vacation. Okay. So what I will think, first of all, what I will do, I will choose a cab where we can have a comfortable seat with the 4 members. Unnecessarily, I don't want to go with a 6-seater because I need to pay extra. Agreed with me? So here in cloud computing also, we have such a facility that according to your requirement, you can buy, you can pay, and you can use that application and you can give to the customer. Suppose if I want to create any health related app, so no need to go with a commerce cloud, no need to go for the sales cloud, no need to go with an what we can say like an experience cloud. No. So just you need to use the licenses which related to the health cloud, and you can create that application and you can make your application. You can make your application. That fantastic advantage is there for the Salesforce. That's the reason many of the companies are using this Salesforce. Because of only this reason, many of the companies were using, guys. Getting? Because of how much I needed, that much only I can pay and you can utilize over there. That is a great advantage of pay-per-use model. So everything is free. Everything is free in Salesforce. But when we talk about real-time projects, there you have to leave some limitations. They have some licenses. If I want to, I give one example that suppose I want to go with a payment model. So I need to pay over there and I need to utilize that model. Yeah. Ask me. Yeah, don't hesitate. Just ask me. It might be a silly question. It might be the complicated one. Just ask me. That is important.
Ma'am,
Just for
could you please repeat
clarity,
yourself for this pay-per-use
One by
model?
one,
Can you give
one by
another like easy example? I have just couldn't catch up with you.
Sorry, your voice was breaking, someone.
Okay, now I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am, I'm asking you, can you please elaborate it again, pay-per-use model? Because
Paper.
I'm unable to catch up with you. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, great. See, pay-per-use model here, according to our requirement, whatever the module, what the module is required for the customer, that only I can buy with respect to the licenses. I can make my small application. I can give to the customer. So unnecessarily, suppose if I need an application with respect to the health related, so I can buy the licenses with respect to the health cloud. That's it. No need to go with the commerce cloud. No need to go with the Oracle cloud. Only that module licenses I need to buy. I can create the application. I can send it to the customers. That is my small business with respect to my projects. Getting? That is my business with respect to the customers. So like how I can use this. This is also one of the fantastic advantage of the cloud computing. So these all are included in Salesforce also, because Salesforce is one of the cloud computing. Got it, guys? Isn't it clear? Yeah. Ask me. Shall we move ahead?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we discussed about what is cloud computing, and I will share these PPTs also. Let me discuss with Lakshmi and I will share with you guys. Okay. And running notes is very important. Make sure that you also write the notes. Okay. Anyhow, you have the recordings also. You can elaborate it. Now again, the term comes. What is CRM? What is CRM?
Customer relationship management tool.
Customer
Relationship management tool.
Okay, good. Customer relationship management tool. So what is this? What is this customer relation management tool? What might be?
It stands for, like, as we are having a multiple of customers, we have to maintain their data. Like if we are having some plans with the customers, or we are selling something to the customers, we have to through CRM tool, we can manage all the data and you may say where the whole process we can manage through the CRM tool.
Okay, great. Suppose I am the owner of a society. Maybe I'm having 100 flats. I need to sell it. So first of all, those who are coming and visiting, they are my customers. I need to maintain their data. Suppose if someone come over here and just visited, just I need to maintain the data, X person, and Y person is interested, I need to maintain the data. Third person was purchased the flat, even I need to maintain the data. Who just visited, I need to give a follow-up call whether again he was interested or not. Second person, just he was interested and having a plans and he was in dilemma, again I need to give a call and I need to make it as a proper lead. Okay, proper customer. Okay, I need to store that information. And the third person was interested and he purchased the flat. That's fine for me. But even though I need to maintain the data, I need to provide the service also. Okay, the customer who coming towards me up to the maintenance of the product with respect to the customer, I need to take care of it properly. The total mechanism is called as a customer relationship management. CRM is a term used to maintain and analyze the customer interaction throughout the life cycle. In market, we are having a different CRM. Number one CRM product is Salesforce.com. Salesforce. Cyber, few companies are using again PeopleSoft, Sugar CRM, Microsoft, and many more are there. Number one CRM product is Salesforce. What the advantage with that? We can retain the existing clients. Means what? Suppose as a owner of this society, I'm giving a good opportunities for each and every householders. Suppose if I'm having another society, there also they will plan. At least they will refer so that I will get a better customers. And he will be happy. Ultimately, energized accounts are client, and we can acquire the new clients. We can maintain, we can make them happy, and we can produce the new clients. That's how the business runs for a long period. So these are all the details related to the CRM. Why we are discussing about this CRM? Because Salesforce is the number one CRM product. Isn't it clear, guys? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So today only the introduction we will discuss, guys. And from tomorrow onwards, we will go with 1 hour session. Okay. And we will discuss deeply. Till that, try to create the trailhead